Hey yo guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back after what, 2 weeks? I don't know. It's been a while. I feel like I've been just on the road constantly. Um, figurative speech. I was not really driving or anything, but whatever. And I got the new T-shirt. This is from Rust China. There's literally a Rust code on this T-shirt. They messed up some parts, but we don't talk about that, okay? It's Rust. Anyways, I missed live streaming. It's a weird feeling. Now that I'm back, it's not been a long time, but whatever. Probably seen the latest post in the community tab. I was in China for Rust China Conf. It was great. I love that place. It was so great. The organization and everything was very very well organized conference. What else can I say? I mean, met so many new people, made new friends, made some Chinese friends. Hell yeah, it's been great. I got these plushies, this one and this one. Also, I have a little crab over here, so I have 3 crabs in the background now. I feel like a proper Rust developer because I had the gopher in the background, the previous streams, the purple gopher. We're just joking and just calling it rofer, but whatever. It's not fucking rofer. It's just a gopher. I just throw it away. I just have the crabs in the background now. I'm so happy. But yeah, guys, welcome. If you're watching this live stream, please say hi. Please say something so that I know that I'm not talking to the camera and going insane on my own. So that would be great. And another news, I enabled this music is so powerful, man. I just need something chill. I enabled monetization again on my channel. So yeah, I don't know, just making money now, I guess. Probably not because I'm getting copyrighted left and right. Maybe just right because copyright. Gotcha. Anyways, what are we doing now? Well, you know that I've been working on this little project of mine some time now. This guy over here running Ratatouille and shit. It's for the guitar, and there's a really silly bug. Like in this thing, there was this. Oh my god! This thing was just one of the pain in the ass while I was just working on this. So it is funny because I found out why this was crashing. So this bug is about when I flashed the firmware, it was just crashing. And if I used another target directory which was created before that, like I have the specific target directory which works, and if I just do a clean checkout of the repo and build it and flash it, it doesn't work. This bug did not make any sense to me until I just like diffed the whole target directory, and I realized, yeah, the stack size is not big enough. So in my old target directory, the stack size was like it was like 8,000, and in my fresh checkout it was like 3,000. And I realized this SDK config defaults file does not take effect if you just have this inside of a subdirectory. So I had this thing inside of a firmware directory, and cargo or whatever build tool out there, probably something in the build.rs, does not pick this up if it's in the subdirectory. So that is why I was just using a small stack all the time, and it was just like crashing because of a stack overflow. And oh my god, I'm so glad that it's now fixed. But this was the solution basically. Just moved this outside of the subdirectory and just increased the stack size, and now it does not crash. I'm so happy. So guys, again, welcome. If you guys watching the stream, please say hi or something in the chat so that I know that I'm not alone in this. But yeah, this is the project. You're just gonna send a link to the chat, and some things that I need to do here. First of all, let me just create some issues. Publish firmware binaries. Yeah, I need to do that. Simulation, I need to do that. Demo video. I have the demo video, but I haven't released it yet. But today I think we're just gonna focus on noST-ifying this project, because flashing this takes time, and yeah, everything is like taking time. Something like that. I'm just going to first of all find appropriate cable for this. Find a cable. I'm gonna use this cable. Maybe I should try to set up my tripod and try to show it to you as well. 1 second. Hi, interesting to see embedded is finicky even more in Rust. Yeah, kind of, but yeah, I mean, this was just a silly little bug, and I think I wouldn't have ran into it if I was properly optimizing my code and just using noSTD. But either way, and yeah, the workspace setup is a bit weird, but yeah, it's been fun either way. Guys, give me a second. Let me just grab my tripod, and I'll show you the firmware, the electronics part. Give me a sec. Alright. So I'm gonna set up this thing now, because I've used my USB webcam before, and that quality really sucked. Did something else here. Hopefully it's gonna look nice enough. Alright. Set this up. 34, okay. 34. 34. So let me activate this as well. Activate. Boom. Alright, so you're in business. I'm gonna try to mount this first of all. Man, this is gonna be nice. I feel like a professional streamer now that I have this set up. But this, I'm gonna place it like this maybe. So yeah, this is the thing that I'm working. I'm gonna maybe zoom in. Oh shit! Almost fell, but they're still alive. Okay, anyways, I can just plug this. Cable is so weird. HD quality. There we go. Just stay still, please. But damn. here now. Okay, there you go. So yeah, in case you're wondering what this thing is, this is like, this is for learning guitar. Wow, this might be the first time that I'm showing you in the highest quality. But so you can like use your microphone or your like or your or your like typical input from here, and just works like that. You know, you can see the played note on this fretboard view. There's also other stuff like this scale thing. You can just change the scale if you want to practice scales and solos and stuff like that. There's this game mode thing. You can just play a Guitar Hero. There's this song mode where you can load your songs into this, and yeah, you can tune your guitar with this. There's this raw view. This is like, yeah, just the input, and yeah, so this is the thing that I've been working on, and today I'll try to no STD 5. I'll stop the camera, go back to my screen. Oh my god, what is going on? Just glitching out. Plug it again. So, where do we start? Well, I think I'm gonna start with ESP generate. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to a temporary directory and run ESP generate here, because this can generate a ESP32 project for you. This is the microcontroller that I'm using, and it provides a menu where you can just select a bunch of things, and I will just use that to generate a NoSTD project, and then I'll just copy over the relevant parts to my own project. So guitar. No unstable features. I think I want ESP alloc, but I'm not sure. Let's see what this contains. There's the heap allocator for wait, actually need this? Yeah, let me not use this, maybe. I don't need Wi-Fi, I don't need Bluetooth. Do I need embassy? Okay, what is this doing? ESP backtrace. Why is this potentially better? What is archived? Maybe not. Yeah, I think I will add embassy. I think, yeah, let me use embassy. Stack smashing section. I gotta just research that real quick. Yeah, I think I'll just enable it then. No, I don't think I add GitHub Action support. Yes, thanks. That's good. Optional editor integration. Nope. Cannot enable probe RS now. Why is that? Anyways, oh yeah, okay, never mind. I'll just use these options for now, I think. Okay, let's generate the project. Right, we got a project here. Toolchain ESP, I already have the ESP toolchain. Build RS, okay, wow, this is a bit longer than I was expecting. Linker being nice. What do we have in here actually? Main RS. Okay. So what do I have here actually? I'm gonna check my dependencies and the firmware. So I have embedded hull, embedded graphics, PIDFs, S service. So am I even using that? Oh, okay, I'm using that. I think that should be fine. So let me check the GitHub CI as well. Alright, I guess. I'm gonna just start porting stuff to my firmware here. I'm just gonna take a look at two directories and start porting stuff. So build target. Okay. Build target. There we go. It's the whole config. What happened to this terminal? Anyways. Okay, Rust toolchain. I think this is just the same. Yeah. Build RS. I just need to have this thing copied over. I haven't selected DFMT. I don't know why is it showing that over there, but anyways, I guess. I need to plug in my charger, otherwise we're gonna run out of battery soon. I don't want the the stream to just end abruptly. Because you know that happened once. But anyways, link all.x is the last linker script, otherwise it might cause problems with flip link. I think I have looked into flip link before. Alright, interesting. So, one thing though, I need to simply use a Git version for Ratatouille and other stuff. Why do we have static cell here? I've not even using that. Maybe I should just try to build it, to be honest. RC 1.86 nightly is not supported. Okay, I need to install the Rust up. ESP up toolchain again. Be up, uninstall, I guess. Install. .88, so I think that will just work with that. But in the meantime, you can simply transfer all these other files. Main RS. I think I can just have the main here instead. Just rename this. And in librs I just have no std. And just save me. Okay, saved librs. Just downloading the toolchain stuff. By the way, welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream. It's been a while, but you're so back as always. Who's watching? Say hi, guys. Come on. Don't just lurk. Water. Today I removed some files and I had like 26 gigs of free space. Now I have 7. I don't know what happened, but definitely something happened. I have copied over the builders. I think the cargo toml is the last thing that I need to copy, but log duplicate and remove. that. Kind of disappointing because you just have more dependencies now. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna work or not. Installing some components. I mean, every time I see a log message, it's just like 1 gigs of space being used. I don't know what's going on with Rust. I think it's installing some stuff in ESP Impressive, maybe ESP up. Nope. It's just being installed in Espressive. Okay, maybe, yeah. Maybe it's just installing here, I don't know. Maybe, no, wait, I think it's installing in Rust up. Yeah. Okay, installation completed. Let's try to build it now. One thing though, we don't have the SDK defaults file here. I guess that's not a part of the template or the NoSTD template that we're using here. But yeah, let me just see. Template. Where's the templates? I guess anyways, if it's gonna build or not. I might actually run what was it, cargo machete on this, because I'm not sure if I need all of these like dependencies over here. But this seems to build fine now, so I might go ahead and try to build tweetar from it. Yeah, let's try to build it. 400. Oh my god. Profiles for the non-root package will be ignored. Okay, we just gotta use release profile them. Oops, what did I do? How do I? Yeah, I just need to use this tweetar firmware. Otherwise, just use these options. LTO may not be specified in a package file. Wait, how do I specify this again? I totally forgot. Let me just find that. Provide release package. That's what I'm using. Okay, I cannot specify LTO. What? Interesting. Anyways, we just build. I guess that's just a limitation. I don't know why, but whatever. So before we get an error, I just gotta tweak something real quick, which is the Rustlang version. Where is it? Rustlang version something. Okay. So we're gonna use 0 alpha 5. And for the mousefoot version, I think there isn't a released version here yet. So we're gonna just use git the reason why I'm doing this right now is because we haven't released the no-std version of Rustlang yet. Hopefully soon. So what is this? You must set at most one of these cargo features. Okay, let's see what I do here. I'm gonna just 1 second. Where am I? So I'm gonna just go to here, but I'm gonna close this terminals. I'm being confused. So critical section. Restore something. So should I just remove this then? I don't know. Okay, git. Okay, what the hell is this? Externally create alloc. Wait a minute. I think I gotta put this in libres or something. I remember something like that, but I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to put this in main. I feel like I'm trying to do many things at the same time. Like I'm trying to add the embassy, which is not something I need, but good to have. But I can probably not do that. But anyways, So what is this allocator API 2 thing? Cargo tree allocator allocator API 2. TechUnifx. Build dependencies. Okay, I think it's because of TechUnifx. So we can just update this and also disable features. Or what do I do actually? STD. I mean, I already have the features disabled, so I'm not sure. Either. What is this? What is this thing? Which one is depending on it? Ether tools. Okay. 3 big tags. Okay, that's kind of bad. So 3 big text. Is this not Ratatouille compatible? Sorry, Ratatouille no STD compatible or something? I don't know actually. Turtles in Ratatouille. 1 second. Yeah, it's still depending on 0.29, which is not great. I think I need to depend on god damn it. Okay, we just need a fork of this now. 3 widgets. Just pull. Ratatouille. So I'm gonna depend on alpha 5. Does this still compile? Let's see. The reason why I'm using like a local copy is because, like I said, the Ratatouille version that we're using is not the NoSTD compatible one, so I guess we just need to use this local copy. So where's the TWI big text? Yeah, workspace. So I'm gonna use paths. There you go. Alright, so now what? Still either. TUI bar graph. Okay. Where do I use that actually? Oh, it's in the core. Okay. What the hell? Allocator API 2. Which package is actually using that now? Hash brown? What? Oh, Cassowary? No. Weird. Index map, maybe? Oh, okay, I know. So this LRU thing is, I think it should be disabled or something. I remember something like that. Alright, I think we should disable that. Layout cache. No, I think that's already disabled now. So default features false. Features just empty map. A bit weird. Oh, I'm still depending on 0.29. Who's using, which crate is using 0.29? Token of X. Why is that? Oh, it's using that still. Okay. That's a bit bad. I don't like this. Does that mean I need to fork that too? Okay, let's just do that then. What the hell is going on? Patch. So ratatouille. Is this the final commit? Nope. Oh, it's in development branch. Okay, wait a minute. That's 0.30 preview. Alright, there seems to be a branch for that. So maybe we can just use that. Yeah, it's using 0.30, so I can just depend on that instead of my own stuff. Talking effects. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and depend on that then. Alright, now build it. Okay, now what? Wait, let me just make sure that everything is no STD. Okay, now we only depend on Ratatouille 0.30. No duplicate dependency. That's cool, but still hitting something here, which is this thing. First of all, allocator API is still getting the same thing. Okay, what the hell? Are you? Why am I depending on that? Wait a minute. I think I know why. Layout cache. Layout cache. Okay, so I need to disable the layout cache. In everything basically. Okay. I think I need right now using it in 3 widgets. 3 core. Maybe this will change something. Nope. Either. Interesting. Now, do we have like another ether tools? Is it like NoSTD compatible? Guys, welcome to the stream, by the way. How's it going? So default use STD. Oh shit. Okay, I see why. So version. Don't use STD. I don't know which crate I just edited. Oh, that is the which one. Okay. So I remove that. Now what? Allocator API again. So this is from hash brown index map. Okay, wait a minute. Index map. Feature flags STD. Oh shit. Something is using index map. Toml. Okay, let's see again. Build dependencies. Wait, why do I have build dependencies? I don't have build dependencies here. Dude, why am I still depending on LRU? Okay, let me actually remove conga lock1 for a second. I think this is gonna fail again, but worth trying. Okay. That is failing. Again. Guys, 1 second. Okay, so I'm basically gonna get some help here, okay? Just gonna paste the logs. Alloc error handler. Do I actually have that? Oh. I mean, I already tried this, but Twitch crate pooling. Maybe I should just use allocator API. There's a T core. So where am I actually depending on? The T core. Do I directly depend on it? Oh, okay, so I think it's from the fretboard widget. Okay. No, we know. Still using mousefoot. That's a bit. Wait, which RSSI core are you depending on? I should just rename this live stream to embedded dependency debugging hell or something. LRU. What? That shouldn't happen. Wait a minute. This should be optional now. Layout cache. The creeper is RSSI core layout cache. Okay, wait a minute. Core. But this is not being released yet. God damn. Okay, it's a bit bad. Does it work like this, maybe? Okay, different error this time, maybe. Okay, there you go. Something different. This is required by Strum because it does not declare no STD. Okay, do we have no STD for Strum? Oh yeah, okay, cool. So wait, why do I use Strum again? The features, yeah, no default features. Let's just add that here. No default features. No, default features false. Castaway. Cast away. Compact string. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe I should have just enabled the wait, let me just see what it looks like. SP generate. So I ticked this, I ticked this one. Text mesh production, yes. Options, yeah, this one, and I generate the project. So let me see, alloc, ESP alloc. Okay, that it just did that. Panic info. Let me just add the alloc thing there. Just probably remove it from librs now. Okay. Alloc. Keep allocator. Config and peripherals. It just does it here. So now it should allocate stuff for us. I hope. We are about to find out. The hell? I mean, I'm depending on allocator API, so I don't know what's the issue here. Clone cannot invert type. What? What are these error messages, bro? Oh, this is okay, num traits. Some floating operations are failing. Num traits. Oh wait, is this like using some custom config stuff here? Okay, now it's building alloc. Alright, so this was missing apparently. Okay, it looks promising so far. Alright, we hit another STD issue. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna run actually bacon. Maybe it will be better. Oh my god, okay. So compact string is causing problems. I got 3 compact string. Right, I need to enable STD for that. SSV core. Maybe TechNFX is using that. Probably. Yeah, so just gonna disable the default features on that and it should work. Oh my god, alright, something else happened. What's the problem? Panic, embedded IO. What? Okay, what do I have? Why do I have embedded IO? I don't actually depend on it directly. Let me just see. Embedded IO panic causing problems. Embedded IO. What? Okay, there you go. So embassy. I didn't even do anything with that. Embassy executor, maybe this is why. No, probably not. I'm suspecting my leftover ASP dependencies here. What am I building, bro? Why is it like kill everything? What the hell? Okay, something happened again. Num trades. Okay, num trades. Micro FFT. I think it's because of the micro FFT. Feature flags. I think this is no STD. Oh, Guitar Pro. Oh, this is a build dependency though. Wait, let me just check. Okay, which crate is this now? Num trades still. Num trades. Micro FFT. Embedded graphics. Embassy Hall. I have no idea. Rustlang trades. No STD. Okay, what is he using this? Rust FFT, but that's not relevant, is it? Interesting. Is this the only error that I'm getting? Okay, what if I just add this, but no features? Nope. So what is using that actually? Do we have that in recipe? I mean, at this point, anything could be using it. Maybe Rust FFT. Let me just disable that. The error message has changed, so we are making progress here, kind of. PHF shared. What is that? What was that? PHF? PHF shared. I have never heard of that one before. So that's from Twee bar graph. Color grad. Okay, so we just go here, I guess. Color grad. So is color grad no STD is a good question. Doesn't seem like it. Are we cooked? Let's see. No STD. There isn't any issues. We might be cooked. How heavily are we using color grad here? I can just like remove the color grad dependency. Let me just remove it, bro. Okay, just remove that. Let's see if it's gonna build at all. Num traits still. What? Okay. So the bar graph. I have removed the color grad gradient. Man, this is so heavily dependent on gradient though. I think we can just use a feature flag. I'm just gonna yellow this. It requires a gradient though. Okay, this is a bit bad. My headphones just died, by the way. 1 second. I hope I won't forget charging my laptop, but anyways. So color for this area. So where do we use this actually? I'll just use white. Now we don't have a dependency on color grad, I hope. Now what is the problem? Still using num traits. I'm charging my head, turning off. There we go. Color grad. Why am I depending on that? Oh, I just have it as a direct dependency, right? Yeah. That makes sense now. We're making progress, guys. I'm gonna make it build today. I hope. The num traits still giving us problems. Number traits. So number traits. Why is it like that? Guitar Pro. Maybe it's because of the build dependency. Let me just remove that. Okay, now maybe it will build. Nope. Dude, only thing that's using that is just the framework itself. The embassy is just using that dependency. And I didn't add that. Edit graphics. MicroFFT is using it. But MicroFFT should be no STD. Let's see. Complex. This is not STD as default, right? Oh, it is, but it's being disabled here. So what's the problem? Embassy embedded HAL. Derive builder. Now we got a different error though. Derive builder. Pretty big text. Oh man, this is just like what is this this matryoshka thing, you know, just like layers to it. Drive builder. Is it like std? Yeah, okay. Fucking hell, dude. Just build it, man, come on. Now what? Now which crate is it? Probably derive setters in this time. Just guessing. Traits. Dude, I don't get it. Maybe embedded graphics is causing problems. Embedded graphics. There's like no feature flags. Just remove that, just in case, I don't know. Now what? Pitchy crate, okay. Pitchy is, let's see. Okay, I need to disable STD for this. We're getting close. So painful though. Okay, pitchy. BaM. I guess we're just adding that. Now what? Easing. Okay, I'm confused now. Why is it failing? Just a lot of printlns in the font. Oh my god. Oh, I need to enable the features lib. Fill in num traits and also simple easing. What? Simple easing. Back-in effects. Is it no STD? What is this crate anyways? What are we dealing with here, dude? It's using using hella STD stuff, I guess. STD. The const. But num traits like this. Oh my god. Yeah, twee bar graph versus twee fretboard. So you want no STD. Finally, we're getting some errors that actually make sense. So vector, the vector is not part of what we're doing, so cool. Alright, now I guess I just need to solve these errors. But yeah, looks kind of painful, not gonna lie. Yeah, a lot of vector stuff, core FMT. What is this font dependency? Gonna close everything. Font 808. Yeah, it has this also depends on STD, so let me just remove that. So these are related to my own code base. This is fast. Okay. Fast rand. Fast. So this is so to remove it. I have 133 errors. That's just great. This simple easing also needs to be no STD. What else? These are from my own. Great. 3 big techs. Simple using so 2 big text is not it is not no STD. All right. Anyhow, is anyhow also? Yeah. Okay, I didn't know that. You can use no STD anyhow. Oh. It's good to know, I guess. We don't have vectors again. Drive builder. So wait a minute. Drive builder. What is the error message again? Enable feature alloc on drive builder if a global allocator is present. They made a typo though. It says dervy builder. Let me just fix that. Okay, typo fixed. Very important, guys. Gotta fix the typo. Fix typo in location. Not enabled error. Just a quick contribution. Okay. I don't have a global allocator. But I can try enabling that. So what was the name again? Alloc. How many errors do I got? 110. Num tray. Okay, so the findings for this live stream is basically to make this no STD, you gotta enable a bunch of flags on, or disable a bunch of feature flags on a bunch of dependencies, and also this is not currently possible because of some of the dependencies. So I'm gonna go ahead and report my findings on each one, and then what else? Yeah, I'm gonna create a tracking issue for noisTD and just dump in whatever I found. Yeah, the outcome for this live stream is that we're just making progress towards no STD, but still needs some work. Also gotta release Rito3 0.2. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow though. So yeah, guys, I mean, I'm gonna just webcam. I guess that's all for today. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else. I just wanted to investigate this a bit, I guess, and we did that. So yeah, tomorrow I might do a live stream where I just create a release for the project and also do a bit of a CI work. So yeah, just saying that might be the tomorrow's topic, but I'll try to stream more regularly until my next conference. So stay tuned, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Join Discord, all right? Or not, I don't know. I'll see you. Take care.